Good morning, guys, and welcome back to Mischief Maker TV. And I know I said last night that Walter and I were gonna go into the shop super early. Walter unfortunately cannot come because he has a real job and has work to do. So I'm gonna head off into the shop right now and get some stuff done today. Now, normally I would list what I'm gonna do. I am not gonna do that today because I don't know what I'm actually gonna be able to get done. So let's just head on in there today and see what we can get done on this beautiful Tuesday. Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. There you go. And it does have skim milk.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. You too. No, Panera. Thank you. Thank you. All right, so I just arrived at the shop, nice and early-ish, not as early as I wanted to, or else Walter would be here, but I'm here. So whilst the seats are out, I'm gonna quickly spray, then put the seats back in, and then put the doors on, and then get these bad boys on Mischief Maker. So let's actually get stuff done today.
Freedom. Keep your ear to the ground. Talking about the freedom. It's the best show in town. Let's show you that freedom.
All right, so here's what's happened. This morning I woke up, I was like, I'm gonna put my darker jeans on today. I really like them. They're comfortable, but I can't stretch too much in them because they're more of a real jean than like a 2020 jean with that little stretch going on. And God damn it, look what happened, because I did get into the Jeep on this side. So here, so just like, I gotta put my leg at like a 90-degree angle to get up there. So you know what happened next. Yeah, that happened. That's what happens when you have thick thighs, people. Maybe I should wear leggings next time. Hey, beautiful people. It is lunchtime. I had my yogurt from good old Panera and some carrots and stuff. But I'm actually on the road because I am on the way to pick Walter up. Now, I don't know if he's actually going to be able to do any filming with me because he is going to take work with him also. But I wanted to steal him from the house, get him out of there, and have him just at least be at the office so that when he has like little breaks, maybe he can come out and see what's going on. So I'm going to go pick him up right now. I'm so excited. Woo! Yay. Alright, so I just jumped out for a hot second so that I can tell you what is going on. We are changing the rotors right now to R1 concept, and obviously I took the tire off for that. Now I'm going to show you a trick that I learnt from none other than Bleepin' Rose, aka Jeremy Rose. He taught me this trick, how to get a fat, heavy tire back on yourself. Come check it out. All right, so that is another day. I can't believe how the days are flying by at the moment, but another day is done. Tuesday is over. Holly sands are dirty, and yeah, had a really awesome day. Got some stuff done, kind of going in the right direction now, so I'm feeling a little bit better about Mischief Maker. So guys, if you are enjoying Mischief Maker and our daily vlogs, then please remember to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and don't forget that little ding-a-ling bell to notify you when my next video is out, which is tomorrow morning. So thank you so much for watching this episode, and I will see you tomorrow morning.